We already covered the bidding process in a different lesson, but we felt it was necessary to dedicate an entire lesson to the differences between competitive and negotiated bidding, the two main types of construction bidding processes. Each of these bidding processes has its own advantages and disadvantages and is used in different circumstances. If you're bidding on construction projects, then it's crucial you understand this information. Competitive bidding. As the most common type of construction bidding, competitive bidding starts with contractors submitting sealed bids in response to a request for approval or RFP. Project owner will then evaluate the bids based on specified criteria, such as price, quality, and timelines. Then awards the contract to the lowest bidder, usually, who meets the required standards. Competitive bidding is commonly used on the following types of projects. Public construction projects. Many government agencies use competitive bidding to select a contractor for a public construction project, such as roadways, bridges, schools, and public buildings. Private construction projects. Competitive bidding is also used in private construction projects like commercial buildings, residential properties, and industrial facilities. Infrastructure projects. Large-scale infrastructure projects such as water treatment plants, power plants, and airports often utilize competitive bidding to select a contractor. Want to view the entire lesson as well as all of the other lessons included in this course? Visit heavyape.com